Hey YouTube, how's it going? I just want to share with you my computer build today. It's in a custom case. I got the case off of Ewan. It's got blue lights in the front. I got the GeForce logo. Inside it's got blue lights. Got the gaming RAM, 16 gigabytes. It has a AMD FX 3.3 gigahertz unlocked processor, and the graphics card is a GeForce GTX 660. It's pretty big. And I got a 2 terabyte hard drive by Seagate, also an older one that's about 6 years old. It's a 360 gigabyte Seagate. And then I have a BG battery supply. And that's about it. Can run anything. Skyrim perfect. You name it. For right now. I also plan on getting another GeForce GTX 660 to go with that one. Also, it has an MSI motherboard. I didn't look at it when I bought it, but it ended up being a 2.0 instead of a 3.0. Yeah, but the GeForce still works. But I don't think it's at full capacity because it's not 3.0. But yeah, here's my build. It's got a big fan on the top. And then one on the back, lights. I'd say it's pretty cool. I did get this case from Best Buy. It's an Antec, I believe. But yeah, pretty cool.